Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create an outro in CapCut. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Select a clip or an image you want to add an outro to. Next, click on the plus icon and import a black background. Add a text on this new clip and modify or style it according to how you want your outro to look like. The duration is up to you. Next, add 2 keyframes. Adjust the size on the second keyframe by making it smaller. Next, add animations. For in animations, select fade in. For out animations, select fade out. Then, click on Graphs and select Ease Out 3. And there you have it! You've successfully created an outro in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorials for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!